Hello everyone. In the last video, we created a V API project, which is really amazing. And here it is very similar to Thunderclient or Postman, where we can basically make a request and we will get the response. So here, as you can see that I can make any kind of request here. I can paste the URL. So let's paste one URL here. And the moment I click on send, I'll get the response. Now, you might think like the response is not in a really good manner. It is not looking good. Well, we are going to fix that in this video. And also one more thing, if you want to improve this project even more, you can definitely go and check out the GitHub repository and you can create pull request, contribute to this project, and we can make it even more better. As of now, I'm going to make it quite simple in this video, and I just want to fix this the way it is getting displayed, right? And also a few more other things, like maybe something in navigation bar. So as of now, what we can do here is the very first thing that I want to do is to fix this, right? So I will come back to my VS code, and if you look at this VS code right now, let me close this other things. So if you look at this VS code right now, I am going to do something right here. So inside this column, I'm going to create a text area. So let's create a text area here, and inside this text area, I'm going to put the value. So I'll say value equals response. So earlier I had added it directly inside the division, but now I will put it inside the text area. So as you can see that this will look like more better. I need to put some class names as well. So I will say like class name equals form control. I guess this form control will make it 100% of it, and then it will look more better. Okay, so that's great. So as you can see that now the response looks even more better, and this is what actually we want. I basically want to give a certain height as well. So I can simply write style equals, and I'll use inline CSS where I can simply write height should be 500, or I can use 50 VH, which will be more better, I guess. So 50 VH, and even after that I will be able to change the height of the entire text area. Great, so this looks fine. One more thing I would like to do right now is basically to write this label right here. So I will create a label just after this text area, and I'll say label is HTML for, I will say response, and response. And here inside this label, I will simply write response here. So let's write response here. And once I save this program, I will get response. Okay, so I'm getting response here. I want this inside this, so I can put both of these things inside inside the form floating, the way it has been displayed here. So I'll say like dot form floating, and inside this I'm going to put both these two lines, right? So I'll take it from here and I'll paste it here. So as you can see that now if I look at the output, I have response right here. This looks amazing. This is seriously amazing. You have, like, if you create such kind of project, it means that if you want to create, like, if you want to make some basic requests, you don't need like anything like Thunderclient or like Postman. Just if you want to just take a normal API, just come to your project and use it, right? So this is really amazing project. And yeah, if you have any other suggestions that I might include into this, then please let me know in the comment section, like how we can improve this project even more. So a few of the people were like saying the theme is quite like simple, which is like everything is white. I think I should do something here in that case, but as of now I'm going as I actually want to keep it very simple, and that's why I won't change like much things right here. Okay, so let's see what else we can do here. So we have body here, and one of the issues that we had in the last session, that we were not able to pass the body. So here I will write body, and the way what we can do is we can simply write if there is body, so body question mark, I'm using ternary operator, then I can simply write json dot parse, and I can pass the body. Otherwise I can write otherwise, in other case, else I can simply write undefined, right? So this will also work. So if I pass body, then the information will be passed, otherwise it will look simple. One more thing, why this body looks bigger? Okay, that's fine. If I remove this entire thing, if I remove, okay, oh, one more thing, I can't edit this thing, so that is important to know, right? So it is not editable. That's the first important thing. Okay, great. So I think our project looks really great now. The only issue that I have is with the theme. The theme can be updated. I think we can improve it a lot in terms of theme. But one more thing that I would like to add here is basically a button on the top right corner, which can redirect us to GitHub repository. So to do that, I'm basically going to create a button here. So I can simply write button dot btn btn dot btn outline, outline, and I can write dark. Let's see, I will write code here. So I will get a button. Let's see, where is that button? Okay, so this is right here. Okay, so this works perfectly. I got this code here, and this is, so the moment someone clicks on this code, I want them to get directly on this repository. So let's see how we can do it now. So here I will, okay, can I make it as a tag, or yeah, I guess I should make it as a tag, and then I should use href. So I'll select href, should be, let's try it as, I'll go and copy the entire link which is right here, and let's come back and I will paste it right at this place. Okay, so this AI understands like what the real repository is. Okay, after this I will save the program, and there's one warning that I'm getting right now, and it says that logo is defined but never used. Let's remove this logo from here, from the very top, because we're not using it anymore. And is there any other thing? Okay, so everything is fine. I should do one more thing, and that is I will write target as blank. So let's say target as blank, because if someone is opening the code, I don't really want them to lose the current tab. So as you can see that just after adding target as blank, we are again getting an error, and let's see what it is. So I don't think so there's any issue. Let's see. There is a warning that I'm getting right now. It says using target blank without relation as this. So I will copy this entire thing and I'll paste it right here. So let's do that now. I'm going to paste it here, and I think this is fine now, right? So if someone clicks on this code, they will be redirected to the GitHub repository, and everything else seems to be fine. In this span tag, I would like to put mx hyphen something, like for example 2, because it is on the extreme left corner. So now this looks much more better. I'd like to put my icon as well, which I will update later on. There's no point of changing the icon or like this fav icon, because I assume that you know that already. The main thing which we had to do here was this, enter the URL, click on send, and so on. One more thing which I want to do right now is basically okay, let's see, no, not this. Okay, so this is not the, if I basically search for this and click on send, as you can see that we don't have any loading symbol at all. So I think we somewhere I should display the loading option. It is very important. So let's see what we can do here. One of the things that I think we can do right now is here, when everything loads, for example right now here, I can simply write set response. I don't know like how good it is, but I can write set response as loading, and let's see how it looks. So if I click on send, it says loading, and then we got the value. So this looks more better. I mean, every single time we get a different value, and this is seriously amazing, insane. There are a lot of things that still I would like to do. For example, adding a copy button here. So if you think you can do that, you can definitely create a PR. And yeah, everything seems fine. This works perfectly. That's all for today's session, today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new. Let me know in the comments section what exactly you learned today. And again, if you think you don't want to use Bootstrap, that's completely fine. You can use something else for your project. I used Bootstrap because I wanted to create this very quickly. So that's it. I guess now I will now from now onwards I will be using this, and I will keep improving this, and I will always use this. I guess, yeah. And I'm going to also try this with post, put, and delete API as well. Even like you can try the same, and if you think you get some error, please let me know right here. You can just go to issues and you can create a new issue whenever you get any issue, right? So that is what you can basically do. So that's all for today's video. Bye.